You are now watching Doorbell News.
Hello?
Hello, Moto.
How may I help you?
Sorry, good night, can I you the bathroom? No.
No. I'm getting ready to call
Oh,
the police.
thank you. Oh, thank you. Es que comprende, no speak English, Spanish. Yes.
We're going to call the police so they can come check the building.
No problem, no police, no, thank you, can I you the bathroom? I am from Nicaragua. Can I you the bathroom? Puedo usar el baño. No problem, no police. Let's go, come on. Good night. Sorry. No problem.
God bless
Yeah. I feel like this is the right truck. Yeah, it's me. No, I'm scared. I don't know yet. I don't know if I want to tell you. It's Corey Egan. Is this Rebel's truck? Back the hell up. Yeah, spool up, boy. Like that. Hey, what's going on?
Can I help you?
I don't know, can you? I'm alright. I thought it was Rebel's truck, to be honest with you. I came up here and then I got a vibe that it wasn't because I was like, no, he's got a lot more jacked up truck than that. But it's a C7 one, that's all. How you doing?
I say just go ahead and get on your way there.
Alright.
This is a bad area.
Yeah, okay, so?
You don't know that?
What do you mean?
This is a bad area, dude. I'm saying when you're coming up to me like this, you gotta go.
I don't know, we're wandering how we want.
You gotta go, dude.
Yeah.
I already got people stealing packages off my porch and everything else.
¿Dónde es?
You gotta at least respond. I know you can dabble. Anybody?
We what?
Turn it off.
We what?
Turn it off. There's gonna be
Better go away.
people here.
Better go away.
I'm gonna be here no matter what.
What?
I'm gonna be here no matter what.
How about if I get a gun? You want to see that?
I don't care,
Get the fuck out of here.
bro.
Get the fuck out of here.
Bro! You tell me. You tell me. You got me right here. You got it. You got it. I am, probably. You tell me.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Yeah, there's like 8 million cats in your house. Just letting you know. Like 80 million trillion cats. I really want to get them out, so I might have to. Let's see.
Yeah, make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Make sure you check out the Doorbell News store at doorbellnews.com. Thanks for watching. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.